Good evening, everyone, and a very warm welcome to you all to today's session organized by SkillVeda. SkillVeda is your partner in transforming education through innovation, inclusion, and global competencies. We are excited to bring you this session on a theme that is a epicenter of great education, leadership, teamwork, and emotional intelligence for educators. As educators, you do more than teaching. You lead classrooms, you work as teams, and you shape the emotional environment for your students every single day. Today's session is designed to help you lead with confidence, collaborate effectively with your colleagues, and build emotional intelligence to create classrooms that are positive, inclusive, and high performing. Through practical strategies and real life examples, we will explore how strong leadership, effective teamwork, and self awareness can transform the way you teach and the way your students learn. We are happy to have you here with us today. Let's make the most of this learning experience together. We are honored to have with us our distinguished speaker, Ms. Rekha, a principal, CBSE resource person, an educationist and consultant who will share her insights, experiences, and practical strategies that will help you navigate these changes and grow as empowered educators. Welcome, everyone. Welcome, Ms. Rekha.
Good evening, Twinkle ma'am. Thank you for such a lovely, nice introduction of me. And good evening to all lovely people out there. I will be very grateful and thankful if the videos are a little bit switched on, or else I will feel like that I talk to the AI. That's it. Absolutely as per your comfort zone. COVID has taught us one thing, that how we can teach how we can teach without the screen is not switched on, so it's absolutely fine. One thing I'll tell, even if you didn't switch on your cameras, if you can just write in the chat box that either are you a teacher, you are a coordinator, you are a leader, you are into which field in the school department. If you can just type in, I will be grateful to you. Principal, okay, Nidhi ma'am. Good evening. So, Nidhi ma'am can be one person to whom I can literally correlate. Nidhi ma'am, are you there?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I'm here.
Yes, thank you for the response. Teacher, come coordinator, myself, Purvi Modi. Okay, you're pre-primary teacher. That's good. Absolutely fine. Educational supervisor. That's great. That means the people over here are active. That's good. So now we'll start till the messages are popping in. We'll go with the slide. And so today's topic is leadership, teamwork, and emotional intelligence. So the moment we talk about leadership, it is a vast ocean. It's not a simple thing that ends up in 1.5 hours. We take ages, we take days, we take months after months to just conclude this word as leadership. Then comes teamwork, wherein if we are in any field, let it be education, let it be a corporate world, let it be anywhere, even our day-to-day life, teamwork is something, it's hand in hand. And then EI, the emotional intelligence, is something which is very much important nowadays. Agree, disagree? Anyone can unmute yourself and talk. It looks very nice if it is both the ways, the communication, it looks nice. Thank you. Anyone?
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, Purvi
Hello,
ma'am.
ma'am. Please repeat the question.
I said that leadership is like an ocean. Teamwork is like day-to-day thing which we do anywhere, any field, and emotional intelligence is something which is the primary, secondary, everything nowadays. Agree or disagree? Hello. Am I audible?
Agree.
Agree. Thank you, Shudhapa ma'am. Thank you so much. So, I don't know. Yes. Something because it's raining very heavily in Hyderabad. So I'm really so sorry if I'm stuck somewhere. So today's session outcomes will be by the end of the session, we will be able to understand educational leadership, develop teamwork skills, learn the importance of EI, that is emotional intelligence, apply EI in classroom and staff interactions, and create a positive school culture. Before I jump into the next slide, can I have everyone on the chat box again? Just one word. The moment you think of the word leadership, what comes in your mind? The first word, any adjective, because you all are skilled educators, you are facilitators, you are principals, you are seasoned teachers. So one word, which
Accountability.
comes.
Accountability.
Okay, ma'am, chat box.
I can to say na.
No, ma'am. Rule is a rule for everyone. Responsibility, that's great. And next is responsibility. Who takes charge of others? Okay. Some more adjectives. Teamwork, inspiration, great going, good. More. Taking insights from team members too, good. Accountability, excellent. Any more adjectives can I get? And Twinkle ma'am, can you just take it? Effective communication, excellent. Mutual understanding, very good. Which
Yeah,
we
tell
really
me.
lagging
Yeah,
behind
Rekha ji, please
sometimes.
tell me what you were saying.
Ma'am, you just take, if you can just take this, what they are writing, so I can go to the next slide and we can
Okay.
come to the word
Okay.
of this. So the one word for leadership can be this also: inspire, vision, trust, empathy, integrity, and courage. Where inspire, courage, integrity, empathy, especially very much needed. So if we start with this, so we can come to the very most important thing is what is leadership. So I will start with a very live thing, a very live example of the thing which I have taken as a leader. The first day when I entered in TEP, I was taking it might be talking to the parents. Let it be, for example, talking to the admin, to my admission counselor, to anyone. That very first day, this role was there in my mind. Anyone here, we will go with the leader thing. If you can just tell me your experience as a leadership in 2 or 3 lines, in whatever your experience as a leader, like how you actually motivate. Yeah, the first chat, if I got it.
I
Correct,
think,
ma'am? I
Ashutosh ji,
am just
please
going.
stop scribbling on the PPT. Please, Ashutosh ji.
Yes.
hello.
Okay. Yes, Nidhi ma'am. I think you were speaking something. Hello?
I
Because
was,
today the weather is not good, Twinkle ma'am, at all.
Yes, I can
Yes,
understand.
ma'am.
Yes. Yeah, Vinita ji, go ahead. Please go ahead.
Yes, ma'am. Please.
leadership is all about what I experience is working with them and make them work with us. If we will work with them, then only they will be with helping us or being our lead. Will be working in our leadership. If we will not be providing anything for them, or we will be just ordering them, it's just not nothing of. It's not worthy.
Good. Absolutely, Vinita ma'am. Anyone else? Because I want to listen three, four things and then we want to come to one. Like I want many toppings for the pizza base. Anyone else? Yes, Swati ma'am. Yes, ma'am, you're audible.
It's okay. I think there
Okay,
was,
fine. So
yeah.
what happens is leadership, as Vinita ma'am has told, it's absolutely correct. So leadership is the ability to influence, motivate, guide people towards achieving common educational goals. That's a bookish language which we get everywhere. But when it comes for the leader, it's really a challenge because the mindset which you have and then the mindset, the way you want to complete the work in your team, making the people understand and going the track or following the same track which you want to do, it is really challenging. Because what happens is, I will tell XYZ, they will take Tom, Dick, Harry. Another person will say takes capital letters. Another will take small letters. So these four people combining together and then making them work is really challenging for a leader. And then what happens is, so the moment you have become a leader, for example, I'm not talking about the principal over here. Leader means anything. You can be leader for an inter-house competition. You can be leader for any activity. You can be leader for, nowadays CBSE has this Kaushal Booth, Kaushal Vikas, so many projects are there. You can be leader for IDP. You can be leader for any night camp which is happening in the school. So the way you are inspiring others, the way, yes, Nidhi
दुकान पता है तुम्हें?
okay, so the way you are inspired, Nidhi ma'am, you want to speak something because I can see you unmuted twice.
No, nothing, ma'am. It was mistakenly.
Oh, no problem. It's absolutely fine, ma'am. So the moment you inspire others, the moment they have seen you working, the way they have seen you talking to others, that slowly makes a difference. Like suddenly you have become a leader and you stand and you start telling, ye kaam kar do, wo kaam kar do, do this, do that. It will never work. You have to understand. The second point comes is the building the trust. Trust is a big word. The way leadership is a big word, trust is a big word. Trust never comes in one day. It takes ages sometimes. Sometimes you keep on doing things also, still the trust never comes. People think that you are actually for them, but after sometimes they think that you may be against them. So this building trust is connected. Again comes leads by example. That absolutely what sometimes I do in my school as a principal, that if I want my teachers to come on time, I report to the school before time. If I want them to be presentable, I have to be presentable. So the leader sometimes have to be the example to lead the whole team. It has been told in Bible also, being like, I've never read the whole Bible, but somewhere I've seen that saying that when the shepherd take all the sheep together, if one sheep is going away, he will understand that where it goes, and that shepherd will bring back that sheep again. The leader should have that quality, that where that person is going away out of the context and we have to bring them back, that only leads when you become a very live example for them, and then makes ethical decision and supports growth. These two are interconnected and correlated, because you can only make decisions when the growth is there. They know that there is some hand who is giving them the support at the spine. You're getting my point, what I'm talking about? Anyone, please, if you can just put a thumbs up on your screen, it's absolutely fine with me. Correct. So what happens is that growth comes, thanks Divya ma'am. It comes like how it comes, like if you're giving a decision to someone, you cannot just throw it on them. Yes, Swati ma'am? Okay. So you just cannot throw it on them. You have to, like the way we take when I give the pizza base support like that. The pizza, if the crust is very thin, the moment you put all the toppings on that, it won't take it for a longer time. But if the crust is good enough, then as much toppings you put, you can hold it for a longer time. The leader has to be like that. You
Piyush,
know the capability, you know that what they can do and till how long you can drag them. And you know that this person has this quality, but this takes a long time. You cannot just implement things then and there. Agreed? Yes. So for that, you need time. And when this trust, this like decisions, you become the example for them, you don't have to do anything.
someone has raised his hand. Piyush ji, you want to
Yes.
say something? Yeah, please
Yes,
go ahead.
Piyush sir.
Piyush ji, you have raised your hands.
Yes, ma'am. I want to.
Yeah.
Could you explain me again? Myth makes ethical decision. Could you explain me again, ma'am?
So makes ethical decision. What happens? See, sir. For example, I have this annual day coming. No, I will not go for the annual day. Annual day is very far. For example, if I have to, this investiture ceremony is coming. Okay, so I have few people in my group where I have told that, ki, okay, fine, you have to do this, you have to do this, you have to do this. So what happens is somewhere in back like 2-3 months before or something, I have trusted that person and I have seen that there is something happened, kuch galti ho gayi hai usse and all. That time I should not, as a leader, I should not, just because of one mistake, I should not break that trust. You're understanding, Piyush sir?
Yes, ma'am.
That
And
belief,
yes, ma'am.
that belief of right and wrong as a leader, what I feel is one mistake, a human error, it happens. But just because of that mistake, if I keep on having that in my mind that nahi, if I give this work again to this person, again mistake will happen, then sorry, I'm not a good leader. I cannot
I
be a good
understood, ma'am.
leader. Correct, Piyush
I
sir?
understood. Yeah, I
Agreed?
understood, ma'am. Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
So I
Thank
think you agree with me, Piyush sir, if I'm not
Yes,
wrong with this.
yes, ma'am. Yes,
He's
I
agreeing.
absolutely
Yeah.
agree.
Yeah, he's
Yes, so
agreeing.
this is what happens. क्या होता है generally ना, when we are working in a mass, we just give, sometimes we give blind decisions. Then and there we fail. So we have to, it is a continuous process. That the way we have a learning process, we have to have a continuous process. So now when we go to the next slide, we have the leadership qualities of educators. So, integrity, accountability, positive attitude, vision, decision making, adaptability, communication, empathy, lifelong learning, these are all chains. Percent, something can be 20%, but these all things should be there in a leader. Why? Because if you don't have communication skills, you cannot communicate what you want to say. If you don't have adaptability, there can be in your team, there can be one person whose health is not good, and genuinely that person wants to do that work. So if that things and everything is happening and I want to do this, we have to tell that, okay, this person is doing till the level best, now we have to leave that person. Decision making, another major decision. We have to trust people, we have to understand before we give the last conclusion. We say now the last nail in the coffin. That's a very good phrase we use in the English. We say why? Because वो last लग गया मतलब अब coffin नहीं खुलता है. So when a leader is decided with something and a decision is done, it's like we say done and dusted. That means all the things, all the corners of the boxes, all the pros and the cons and the twists and the twirls, everything is done. Then only we can go with the decision. Then sometimes it happens with the leader, even it happens with me also, that we have said something, but suddenly the person, our own teammates, they don't agree with that. And then slightly we have to change the decision. But before coming to that, think, and think. As leaders, we should not then and then decide. Transparency is important, but as a leader, we have many things in our mind. Agreed? We cannot only think with one of our teachers or one of our teammates. We have to look to all the places, all the phrases, and then we have to come to that. And then the most important thing, as an educator also we tell, and as a leader also we tell, is a lifelong learning. बोलते हैं ना, नेता वही बनता है, मतलब जिसके अंदर अडेप्टेबिलिटी और सीखने की कला होनी चाहिए. लाइक learning, it's a learning process. I'm learning from my teammates, I'm learning from a nursery child also, I'm learning from the darban also, the way he's coming and doing all the work on time. We can learn from our admission counselor also, that how nicely patience the parent is asking question after question, but she takes that patience. No sir, this will happen. No sir, this will be there. So we see everything, and then we become the leader. And leader is the one whose shoulders has to be very strong, because we take everything on our shoulders. The moment we have loops at the back, and we cannot take it out, then people will be there to pull us. Right? Agree or disagree? As a leader, if we have many hooks at the back and there are many loops, and we know that anyone can pull us in many things, then we fail as a leader. Agreed or disagree?
Agree, ma'am.
Correct? So first of all, if you're a leader, you stop being biased. You are for everyone. Like बोलते हैं ना, मैं जनता जनार्दन के लिए हूँ. I'm for everyone. I cannot just focus on one thing. Yes, I can be biased on my decision, where I know if I do this, it will be happening, but that decision should be very strong. That comes through experience, comes through many lifelong examples. You have seen many things in front of your eyes, and then you decide ki nahi, this decision which I'm taking, in spite of knowing and hearing to so many people, I will decide. I have decided means I've decided. We take this decision through in our classrooms, especially with few teachers. We take these decisions with few parents, that yes, we have to talk to this parent about this, because if now we will not open the mouth, things will go out of our hands. So these things are all interrelated and correlated. So now I all done, all clear till here. If just one thumbs up, it's
Yes,
fine.
ma'am.
I go to the next slide. Leadership education. So here it is actually, we all are seasoned, as I told in the very first time, that managing classrooms, anyone here, because you are also a teacher, you are into many other coordinator and all. Do you think that nowadays, when the teacher goes in a classroom, what is the mindset? How does she or he goes to the class? And what is the first thing it happens in the class? Anyone can share me a live example. I will be really grateful. Anyone. The moment the teacher is prepared in the mind, I'll give you a very good example. The teacher is prepared that today I'm going to teach photosynthesis, or I'll go and teach about the weather and the climate. What you take, anything, integrity, something. And the moment that she goes in the class, and they have come from the PE class, the physical education class, and the class is beyond her expectation, the behavior. So how do you think she will manage the class? Anyone can give me a right answer. Not right, everyone is right nowadays. Anyone, if you can just give me any suggestion how you will manage the class, or what do you think the situation can be at that time of the teacher?
By using the attention grabbers, ma'am,
Example, ma'am.
like class, SS, or focus, like that, or else giving some break, 5 minutes of break to the children, water break, and cracking a joke. slowly making them to
Okay.
open the books and
Swati
all.
ma'am, okay, which class do you teach, Swati ma'am?
I'll teach from 8th, 9th, 10th physics, chemistry, ma'am.
Excellent. Grade 10, ma'am. You have to take physics class, and the moment you are entering the class, your class is there. Before that, they have come from a football match from P, like inter-house competition was there, something like that. And the class is, you just enter the class. I think you can just visualize, you can close your eyes, and you're just standing near the door, and you can see that not a single child is there on the place. The books are all loitered. They are talking, they are screaming, they are out of control. What will be the first step as a teacher, ma'am, physics teacher?
First, I'll make them to sit in their positions, ma'am.
Okay. Do you think we raise a voice, ma'am?
We can't at that time because we know that they are all exhausted by the match and all.
Okay.
Mm.
No, no,
Let,
we all are here now transparent. Just one thing. Does the teacher raise the voice the moment she gets inside the class?
no need of raising voice, ma'am. There,
Correct.
no need actually. We should understand the students' perspective also at what stage they are, whether they are active or they are wantedly doing or they are restless. That all we should keep in
Excellent.
mind. Keep in
Very
the
good.
mind.
Right, Swati, ma'am. So after that, you just tell them to be quiet and all. They settle down in the class.
Yes, ma'am. They'll settle down.
But the body is present and mind is absent.
Absent, ma'am. We know all that.
Correct?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
what generally nowadays, as per we say, na, we cannot give corporal punishments, we cannot touch the students, we cannot scream because हम बोलते हैं ना ऊपर वाला सब देखता है. You understood that ऊपर वाला सब देखता है?
Yes,
CC
ma'am.
cameras.
Being a principal, see ma'am, I'll tell you one thing because it's been 20 years I'm into this field. तो हम ऐसे ही बोलते थे ऊपर वाला सब देख रहा है. So this the students never understand, but we understand that what they are talking about. So what happens is, ma'am, managing the classrooms, I have actually done it because I take grade 9, 10, 11, 12, still English classes I take. Generally, fine, I'm principal now, so they just settle down. But generally, what I used to do is I used to just stand near the door and I used to stand. No noise, nothing. I never used to open my mouth also. Do you think after 3, 4 minutes they will settle down?
Yes, ma'am, definitely. Even I follow the same thing.
This is the best thing I think till now, and I have told my teachers also, and they also, because you will tell out. They will not. First, you have to just go and stand. And I know you people, I don't have to teach anything. This is just one example which I'm telling. Because nowadays, managing classrooms, it's like it's better to do anything else in the world. The students in the class, they are beyond any other thing. So every day when we go to the class, we have to come with something or the other thing. Then only you can find the students get attracted towards you, that today what ma'am is going to teach us, or the skills, what the way we teach, or the way the methodology we are using. Then only we can manage the class, or the class is in their own zone and the teacher is in their own zone. This especially I have seen many times when after the lunch break the school, it takes 15 to 20 minutes the whole school to settle down. This is first thing. Second is mentoring the students. This is another level. Nowadays, if you raise the voice towards the student, the next day either the principal or the coordinator will get a nice mail. Madam, yesterday my child was not doing anything. But because of your teacher, she told something in front of the class, it was humiliation, and my child was in depression. Correct? Especially for the 9th and 11, 12. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Not only ninth and 11th, from grade 5th also it has been started.
No, I'm talking about the word, ma'am, depression. Like they are so depressed. I don't know what the teacher has told, what they have told. So mentoring the students also is different. It's gone another level. Collaborating with colleagues. For example, you have one competition coming. You have just requested your friend that please aaj mera class le le because I have some other work and then I will take your class. Few will understand. Few will, nahi, from 3 periods I'm taking the class. 4th period I cannot stand. Understand, please. Yes, it happens.
Sometimes it happens,
It
ma'am.
happens. It happens because what happens is every person in the school is having some or the other work. No one is sitting khali in the school. Nowadays, as per even the state is working like that, the CBSE is working like that. Every single teacher is something or the other thing. They are with something. So then coming, I'll just cut with these 3 points. So managing classrooms, mentoring students, and collaborating with colleagues, this all comes in one plate, but we all have to be very maintaining these things. What do we need the most?
Patience.
Very good. Round of applause for you. Patience. And do we have patience now?
No, not so much.
So we ourselves only can give these answers, ma'am. We know that for managing the first 3 points, we need patience, but we lose it. And this is not a default setting. This is by human nature because we are overburdened with so many things. We are not organized so much. So that is why these all just fall apart. And then comes the role of the communicating with parents. First thing, they will not accept. Second thing, you keep on calling them, father will come, mother will not come, mother will come, father will not come. Together, they will not come. Fourth thing is, even if you have communicated to the parents, it will not be implemented. Correct?
Of course, it's correct, ma'am.
Then comes solving problems. You have a sabha. I generally tell if they are sitting in my room, I say that ki Raj Sabha hai. All the coordinators with their problems. Ma'am, this happened. Ma'am, this happened. Ma'am, this. And at the end, the common problem is one. The child is not writing. We are continuously writing in the almanac, but the parents are not acknowledging, acknowledgement is not there. Then we will tell that the child is a little fussy in the class. Suddenly they take the pencil and they poke. Suddenly they push. Suddenly something happened. Ma'am, abusive language, this, that. Common problems. And then comes the promoting innovation. If this someone can explain, then this all will come to a conclusion and then I will tell it. Anyone? Promoting innovation. Anyone? Am I there?
We can, give them a situation, a real life situation maybe, and let them think. So when their brains are busy, they'll get distracted from whatever mischief they were doing or whatever chaos is happening in the class. So obviously there will come some kind of a semblance in the class, and because they are thinking, they will, we are actually directing them towards a more positive thinking
Yes.
than distraction.
Yes. That encouragement and supportive thing of any creative, like creativity, we say. So here also, all these points come to one thing that we have to have new ideas always. So as leaders, we always have to have a new idea. That bulb should be always switch on when we have to do all these 5 things: the mentoring the students, managing the classrooms, collaborating with the colleagues, communicating with the parents, solving the problems. We always should have those creative ideas to innovate, to manage, to communicate with all of them. Correct? Yes. We cannot have the same idea for everything. Same incident happened in class 6. Same incident happened in class 9 and same incident happened in grade 12. But do you think that the leader can, like as a principal, can you give the same solution for all the 3 classes, ma'am?
No, ma'am, we cannot
You
give.
cannot.
Not possible.
Not possible at all. So that is why the leaders have to be creative. Then only you can sustain there. The people will start understanding you, and it should be very simple and effective way. Never ever we should go with complicated things like ऐसे कर दो वैसे कर दो वैसे कर दो नहीं. It should go bit, like one scoop at a time, one spoon at a time, one bite at a time. Like we say na, that if 7 days I will not give you breakfast, and on the last day, 8th day, I'm giving you 7 days breakfast, you cannot eat. Same we go with the solutions. We have to work on all these things bit by bit. Till here we are okay?
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
Done.
Yes, ma'am.
Now we'll come with the teamwork in the schools. This is really going challenging nowadays, as I am seeing it, that I will not use overburdened. I will say that there are few people who are very organized in the school, and there are many people who are not organized. So when the work comes on them, they just start fumbling, they just falling. ये नहीं हो रहा, वो नहीं हो रहा, ये हो गया, वो हो गया. So many things. But when we have a proper teamwork, if everything is properly aligned, if everything is properly organized, if
Ma'am.
everything is. Hello? Yes, ma'am. Usha, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Continue, ma'am. Just I was
Ah,
saying that if everything is managed in a proper time,
yes. Yes, you can please tell Usha, ma'am. No problem. It is
So
the
it was
speaker should.
Usha ji, yeah, please unmute yourself.
Please,
By
you can
mistake.
speak, ma'am. The speaker is always not correct. The
okay.
listeners are
Yeah,
always
ma'am.
correct.
Actually, if we manage it properly, no, then it will run very smoothly. It will not
Yes.
be burden to everyone. It will be equal burden for everyone.
Yes, very true. I absolutely agree with you, Usha ma'am. That what happens is, like if we have given some work to some team or to the teachers and all, if it is properly synchronized, properly divided, then the student outcomes we can see. If we give that responsibility to everyone, the result will come nicely. One person will not be overburdened. Creative solutions. Like there are many schools, I will tell you. There you will see activities every year, different activities. Every year the reports are different. Everywhere, every time, some or the other skills are coming there. Why? Because they keep on changing their coordinators. They keep on changing their leaders. The leaders who are, like, for example, the team leads, the coordinators. Why? Because the way I will think, the way Usha ma'am will think, the way Swati ma'am will think, the way Piyush sir will think, the way Twinkle ma'am will think, everyone has a different idea. The same work, 5 different people, 5 different ideas. Yes. So we can take it, we can adapt it, and the solution will come. So that is why we should always start giving things to different people so that we can get different ideas. That is why that school runs very nicely if the work is been divided in the whole school. Agreed?
Yes.
Yes, it happens, ma'am. If you divide the work into different people, the same speaker, the same teacher is speaking every event, there are other teachers
But
also.
planning is same.
Pardon, ma'am?
Planning is same, ma'am. Proper
Yes.
planning is the same.
Yes, very true. Only the faces need to be changed. बोलते ना बहुत लोग backstage काम करते हैं. They have the skill to come in the front, and they just need a push. They need acknowledgement. They need a pat on the back. It happens. Then comes the very important part, is reducing stress. Man, nowadays stress is a very common word, and every now and then we are stressed. Don't tell me anything, I'm stressed out. Don't tell me anything, मैं बहुत परेशान हूँ, अभी मैं कुछ बोल दूंगी तो you will get annoyed. This is the
Yes.
normal thing, we have the reaction. Please 2 मिनट शांत रह सकते हो. This is the language which we see in the staff rooms everywhere. And on the last, even Twinkle ma'am, in the last workshop, I have told now that with the attire of the principal, they can understand that today the principal is stressed or not.
Yeah.
कि आज मैम तैयार नहीं है ज्यादा, मतलब कुछ तो प्रॉब्लम है, दूर रहो. As no one will go for any signing of the papers, nothing. That should not be there, ma'am. That stress can be reduced only with teamwork. The moment we have that trust, the moment we think that yes, my team is strong, one can be good, one can be little average, one can be below average, but my team is strong. We have to divide the work like that. Then only if these all things are good, we can have a very strong professional relationship. That is why you can see that there are few people who have a very strong bonding with people. It's just because you are very transparent. You never talk at the back. You know that, okay, fine, today she has too much of work and I have completed with my correction. I have done this. So ma'am has given this work. You give it to me, I'll do it and I'll give it to you. So you know that next time, when that understanding level, next time she will be there for you. That बोलते ना, there for you is a very big word. I am there for you.
That's a
This
very big
works.
line nowadays. Very big line.
And this work wonders, Twinkle ma'am, in the school.
Yes, definitely.
This work
Yes.
wonders in the school also, in a normal
In
between
every environment, in every scenario, it works.
even if you don't work, even if you don't do anything, you just tell, I'm there.
I'm
You
there.
do it, I'm there.
Even in the family or in wherever you are, it works.
It works. It works wonders. So, better student outcome, shared responsibility, creative solution, reduced stress, and strong professional relationships will work under one umbrella when the team is strong. When the team can take it on their shoulders, when the team can rely on each other, when trust is there. Correct? Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
When these all things will work, ma'am. मैं आज ऐसा कुछ नहीं बोल रही हूँ जो आप लोगों को नहीं पता. You all know all these things. It's just sometimes what happens because of the work, because of many things, the train is going and the track is going like together, parallel. We just have to lift and put the train on the track. Things will work. That's it. We all are doing a great job, and we always we should applaud for us. But sometimes because of time, because of few other responsibilities, we just miss few things. So workshops are generally just to remove the dust. I also
Polishing, little bit polishing.
Everyone needs polishing. So now we go with the characteristics of the effective team. Yes, here a successful team should have shared vision. In a team of 5, if only one person is speaking and telling, nahi yahi hona chahiye, nahi yahi hona chahiye, after some time, these 4 will stop talking. Like talking in the sense, stop sharing things. Correct? Because by hook or by crook, that one person is only telling, nahi, yahi ho sakta hai. Hum yahi kar sakte hain. No. We should always share. We should always have that. The first thing we have that adaptability. We should become that sponge. You put drop, drop, drop. Later on, we'll squeeze it. So all the colors together, the moment we squeeze the sponge, a nice color comes. You don't even know what color it will be. So the effective team should be like that. Every person should chip in and then it will come. Trust, another big word. Trust is everywhere. If you have trust, you have done it. If you don't have trust, you cannot go another. But when trust will come, when you have respect for that person, when you can respect, and respect is something, what you give, you get in return. You don't have to ask it. You cannot snatch it. You have to give, you will get it. And then comes open communication. You have to be transparent. When you are transparent, the person can understand कि नहीं, मैम आज अगर ये चीज बोल रही है तो जरूर कुछ हुआ है. Then she is telling about this. Because from the starting, that person is so open to the whole team members that the teachers, they start trusting you. I will tell you one incident to all the educators over here. We are from Pan India. There was one phase where I have to take sabbatical from my PhD, and I have to leave the school. You won't believe all my teachers, and for that reason, I still pat my back that I was telling that there is no other reason for my putting down the papers. I have put down the paper, and the next day, all the senior teachers, maximum teachers, they have resigned. That if principal ma'am is not there, we are not working here. And then again, I have to come back to the school and I have to talk to them कि नहीं ऐसा नहीं है. It was not love. It was not any extra thing I was giving. It was just respect. It was just I was trusting them. It was just that sometimes if they have done some mistake, I used to listen to them. Being a human, मुझसे भी गलतियां होती हैं. Sometimes even I do mistakes, but my team is standing with me. When my team is standing with me, I can stand with them. So that open communication should be there from the leaders. Accountability, collaboration, and problem solving mindset. These three are together. If your EI, emotional intelligence, is very high, if you can understand people mindset, if you can understand that yes, why this, you can take that charge of accountability, if you have that feeling of not dragging things into different level, you are an excellent leader. You are an excellent leader. हमें प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करना है, हमें उसे खींचना नहीं है रबर के जैसे, because the more you pull, somewhere it will break. That time, just take a decision. Okay, we'll talk about this later, because you know the moment you'll start pulling it na, it will go to another level. Then and there, okay, fine, I have understood you, ma'am. We will talk and we'll take this decision next. Agreed? Anyone? Sometimes as leaders we have to take this decision. Yes? Am I there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes, Usha
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Sometimes
Yes,
as
ma'am.
leaders
Yes.
we have to take this decision that okay,
Yes, ma'am.
I agree, and then we just stop. जबकि उस समय हमारे अंदर as leaders खून खौलता है that this is a blunder which has happened.
Yes.
The things has happened 3 days before. पूरा रायता फैल चुका है. It is all been spoiled to the core. And you don't know as a leader that what next step you have to take. But at that very moment, we have to be like, okay, fine. We will think about it. This time, I just want that this discussion should be stopped. This shows that the leader has a very good team. That now, because the iron rod is very hot, if I'll hammer it, it will spoil. So I have to be quiet. I have to be cool. I have to be composed. I will talk about it after some time. Do you think the results come positive after this?
No, ma'am.
Why? If no, then why? If yes, then why?
Meanwhile, so many questions will be triggering out whether the conversation went in a good way or bad way. Some questions will be triggering.
But don't you think, Usha ma'am, okay, fine, you have said no. Anyone yes here? Then I will conclude it. Anyone yes, that at that moment, if it is triggering many things and your whole team is into fire, on like they are on fire. And at that time, as a principal or as a leader, I will not use the word principal, you just leave it as a leader. You have to take a sudden decision and you just tell that this topic I want to be just finished here. We will talk about this later after 15 minutes or after half an hour, and then we will come to a conclusion. Do you think this works?
Yes,
This
ma'am.
does
It
work,
works.
ma'am, and it works better if we can, just provide a solution to the problem, and then later on, when things are taken care of, and then talk to them that what went wrong, and there can be a reflection session.
Yes, Excellent. So, Usha ma'am, you are correct at your place. Shutapa ma'am, you are correct at your place. Why I'm telling you is, why both are correct is, this is something a contradictory thing. कई बार क्या होता है, there is such a blunder, which then and there we have to take a decision. But again, I'm telling, if you are a leader and when you know that the consequences can be worse, then take the decision. But the call should be from the leader. It should not affect the team. Correct?
Yes, ma'am. Absolutely, you are correct.
You should be accountable. You should take everything on your shoulders. As a leader, I'm taking, like, for example, I am a website in charge, for example, and me, Usha ma'am, and Suchutapa ma'am, Twinkle ma'am, we all are a team. By some mistake, बारिश हुई, कुछ हुआ, the whole website is like blank. पूरा उड़ गया मैम, whatever was there of the school. Okay? ये किसी की गलती नहीं थी, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
किसी की गलती नहीं थी. But the next day, when you are standing in front of your principal or something, as a leader, for example, if whoever is a leader, what will be the answer? I'm giving you a very good example to give me one live thing. What should be the answer?
We can explain them कि by mistake or due to some technical error it was gone, and we can redo the things again.
At that time, मतलब अगर रात को as a leader, if I would have screamed, shouted and all, कुछ वापस आता, कुछ वापस नहीं आता. उसके जगह क्या होता, the next day when my team is coming, even if there is some second option that ma'am we can go with this and we can do this, they will become panic.
Yes.
Rather than opening their mouth, they will be quiet. They will accept what is going to happen. But वहीं अगर ये सारी चीजें हो गए, and I just texted, okay, this is night. At this point of time, I cannot do anything. Neither you can do anything. Tomorrow, we will come little early in the school and we will talk about this. And we will come to the conclusion, this will work wonders. And I
Yes, ma'am.
know that the leader cannot sleep the whole night. That is
Yes,
the
ma'am.
quality of a leader. Correct?
Correct.
Very true.
Yes,
Very
ma'am.
true.
This,
Yeah.
ma'am, because I'll tell you why this, I give you live examples, ma'am, then only you can connect with the workshop. These are all things, ma'am, which happened, which as leaders we have seen. उस समय चिल्लाकर कुछ फायदा नहीं है. You are raising your BP, you are burning, they are listening, they are not listening, they are crying, this, that. That trust, that bond, उसमें एक बार दरार आ गया, ma'am, it will never. But once you trust it, that I trust my team, and you just stand in front of your principal and say, ma'am, it is my responsibility. Will just give me 3 days time or a week time. I'll get back to you. Ma'am, the whole team will work with you day and night to come with the solution.
Yes.
Because आपने किसी का नाम नहीं लिया. You were there with your team and they trusted you. So this is all works, ma'am. It works wonders. Because I will not tell that this all, because this what incident I have told you, it happened with me. So that is why I can tell you, ma'am, रातों रात, ma'am, पूरा website 4 साल का गायब, कुछ नहीं है, ma'am. Nothing is there. And I know what will happen tomorrow in ma'am's room. And I will tell you another thing, that I was 3 months pregnant at that time. And she was bursting. And I was just quiet there standing. Who has done it? Ma'am, it's my mistake. I'm the leader. I will take everything on my shoulders. I know Miss Rekha who has done it. No, ma'am, it's my team. I'll do it. Ma'am, आप believe नहीं करोगे, Twinkle ma'am. 1 week we have worked hard. Till now, it's been 16 years of that incident, that they still remember. Ma'am, yaad hai wo din? I said, yes, yaad hai wo din. So this is what, ma'am, that trust builds. But as a leader, the whole night I couldn't sleep. All blur vision.
Anxiety, stress, everything was there.
But I knew that at the end of the day, you leave about my ma'am, but my team will be there with me. This is called teamwork, effective team. When you know that you have a mindset where you can solve the problem, you can communicate, your vision is clear, your team is there with you. Correct? Yes? I think someone is written.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So now we will go to the slide. Another one is like the barriers. Yes. This It's very open. The common challenges, poor communication, and the crown on the head is the ego. The crown, I can say. We just put it on our head and we walk very nicely like a ramp walk as a model. Oh please, उसने किया है वही आके मुझसे बात करेगी, कुछ भी हो जाए मैं तो नहीं जा रही. मैम समझाते रह जाए, योर टीम लीडर, इट्स ओके, गो टॉक. नो प्लीज, every time I cannot take it. This conflict goes off. Poor communication. Someone is selling something, someone is selling something. Directly go and talk. Yes, I have done this. This happened. Now I am the leader of the team. You have to work this. Simple. The moment your communication is clear, you are unclear with your visions. Your things are going away from your.
And what I feel, na, Rekha ji, one has to be transparent in dealing with everyone.
Transparency is everywhere, ma'am.
If
So
you are
this is
not
all
transparent,
connected.
you can't work with people if you are not transparent.
You cannot. Anywhere, ma'am. You just see these 6 points: poor communication, ego conflicts, lack of trust, resistance to change, unclear roles, and limited appreciation. Ma'am, even an 80 years old man, if he's like, for example, my grandmother, if she is cooking something for me, and the moment she serves it on the plate, and I say, wow, Dadi, it's amazing, you will see a smile on the face.
Yes.
Acknowledgement, appreciation
Appreciation and acknowledgement, both are
is very much
necessary.
needed. Yes. So do you think anyone that it works wonders when you appreciate someone, in spite of you know that this work is only partial done by that person?
Yes, ma'am. I agree.
I want to share one experience
Oh,
that I had,
please.
Rekha ma'am. Actually, when I was with a school, I had newly joined there, and there wasn't a principal for quite some time, so they were not used to someone heading the school, right? So when I went there, I could feel that there's a lot of resistance, right? So whatever I said, and the management expectations, obviously they wanted me to change the school overnight, so there was a lot of stress on me also. So whatever I said, I could see that there is a hedge in between, and there's a shuttle which is going down. So I kept trying. So whenever I used to tell them something that you do this, I used to give them a solution. So one day it happened that we had some event and something went wrong. So we were all the very next day there was the event, and there was some PPT and something that we had prepared, and it went wrong. I mean, it got there was some error or something like that, and we couldn't access it. So it was we were just thinking what to do now, because creating that PPT was a huge task, and overnight it was not possible. So we kept trying कि क्या कर सकते हैं, क्या कर सकते हैं. And that moment, one the IT teacher, she came to me and she said, ma'am, this is what I have thought of, but there's a problem, so can you help me out with that? I said, what is it? So she told me that this is what this is a solution, but there's a problem like this. So I thought, and I just gave her a solution कि okay, ठीक है, ये तो manageable है, तो we can do this. And she was so happy. She said that, ma'am, I knew that if I come to you, I'll get a solution. And that was the day I haven't forgotten till this day, because I found that I have broken a wall. So it was such a huge, I thought I have just conquered the world, because there was one person I could change. And that was the moment, I realized that no, whatever I'm doing, it is not going unnoticed. So that was a really a moment I wanted to share with everyone. So I think that this is what you're talking about, trust.
Excellent. Very nice, Shuddhapa ma'am. So it is how many years, ma'am? If you can share, how many years back?
It's just 3 years back. This was a very new school. This was a new assignment. I was in another school before, but I
No, it's 3 years back. No, I just don't want 3 years, right?
Yeah, 3
After
years.
3 years also, ma'am, when the moment you were explaining it, we have not seen your video, but the words, the way you were explaining it, we can understand the zeal, that smile, that everything was visualized. Like we can visualize the way you were explaining it. It was like as a reel, it was going in front of us.
I
So this
actually
is
couldn't believe it that,
yes,
I've made a difference.
yes. That what a leader is, ma'am. See, ma'am, the moment you appreciate, ma'am, it just takes seconds, ma'am, to appreciate. Just a pat on the back. Wow. Like even in the assembly, as a principal, when I go, if any class teacher has, like today, Bal Gangadhar Tilak assembly was there, and the class teacher has done a fab job. In front of the whole school, if I just tell, wow, congratulate the class teacher and the class, they have done a wonderful job. Ma'am, there was smile, and that just makes them happy, ma'am. No materialistic world, no materialistic thing you need to appreciate or to give them that happiness. That acknowledgement, small pat on the back, light these things, it makes wonders. So these are the barriers, ma'am. If you cannot communicate well, if you cannot, if you have that ego thing, no, how can I learn from someone? As a principal, I learn from everyone, ma'am. I feel that when I'm learning, I'm a small child, like a chota bacha of nursery. That you just hold my hand, you just tell me how to do it. If I like, ma'am, nowadays, like the IT is running, AI is one tool, with somewhere I get a glitch. And I don't feel shame to call my IT department and I say, Madhu sir, please, can you tell me where I get stuck? And then he starts laughing and he says, ma'am, at that time you become like a baby. I sit like this. You just explain me how it is. Okay, sir. Oh, that's great, sir. Can I write it down? Because then he will also feel good to teach you. This is called team. As a leader, they respect your chair. The moment you get up from the chair, you're a normal human being. So you have to maintain the legacy of that place. If you are a leader, you have to be that leader. So these things, if you just delete, it's like you have just trash mein dal do, you are excellent leader. And you can just always, every morning, you can just give a big smile and you can just pat your back that, yes, you're doing a well job, great job. Nice, Chudapa ma'am, you have made us recall even my things.
No,
And
I used to scream and shout also, but that was deliberate because I knew that you were telling something over and over again, and they are just taking you lightly.
yes.
So then I had to show
That
some.
happens, Shudapa ma'am.
It was a part of the job, actually.
नहीं,
That was a part of the job.
Twinkle
Yeah,
ma'am,
but
वो तो हमारा जन्मसिद्ध अधिकार है एज अ लीडर. हम चिल्लाएंगे नहीं तो कैसे? वो तो सुनना है. That vocal has to be there. That's great, nice, excellent. So now we'll go with the next slide.
Manisha ji is writing in the chat box, appreciation itself becomes stress relief.
True.
Stress buster. Yeah.
Very true. I agree. Very true. Appreciation is very nice. The moment the ma'am comes in the class and they say, wow, you have such a lovely handwriting, ma'am. And you were like, oh, thank you, ma'am. Suddenly, even if you don't use a blush, you will have blush. And the students also understand that ma'am is very happy. This is a normal thing, ma'am, as a leader. If you say the person who never has taken the scissors, for example, you have some activity and you have made a team. उसमें especially the male faculty, I always deal with them. उनको कैंची पकड़ना भी नहीं आता है and you have given them some activity and then you tell that sir आज तो ये कट करना है आपको and कैसे तैसे करके उन्होंने एक कबूतर का तो बना दिया कुछ चिड़िया तो लग रहा है and very nicely they will come and show that ma'am whatever you have given I've done it. Appreciation. हाँ सर कबूतर तो नहीं लग रहा है बट हाँ बर्ड के शेप में काटा है आपने. And they feel very good and the whole day they will be like children, they will say कि आज मैम ने बोला that I have done some cut work, like I've done some cutting thing and I have helped the art and craft department. This is normal thing, ma'am. See, ma'am, life is very small. Happiness is something which we can spread, and as a team, if you have got the opportunity to become a leader, then spread happiness. That's it. As a leader, I will tell that. Then it comes for emotional intelligence. EI is very important. It's very important in everyone's life. If your EI is very good, it's in a very high stage, then you can build castles of relationship. You can manage emotions, you can understand emotions, you can recognize emotions, and then you will have like फेविक्विक से भी ज्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग बॉन्डिंग हो जाता है. यू स्टे देयर इन दैट स्कूल और नॉट, you be there with those people and not, the moment they will see you on the roads, on the malls, anywhere, ma'am, and they will come and talk to you. This is the what I can say, that sweetness of understanding someone. You don't need to read books after books to understand someone's emotional balance. You have to just be open. You just have to talk with them. You just have to trust them. You have to respect them. You have to make them feel comfort. You have to tell them that come out of your shell and I'm there to hold your hands. The way we give everything, we surrender ourselves to God, let it be any supreme power, and then we know that we will never, that supreme power will never allow us to fall. That is a leader. The moment you give that SBT, that surrender, belief, and trust to the people, you are a nailed leader. You are understanding people. You are working wonders with them. आपको कुछ बोलने की जरूरत नहीं है. Your smile, your eyes, it will twinkle and they will understand that ma'am wants this. My leader wants this. पीछे जनता बुलाने की जरूरत नहीं.
I think some network issue is there. Rekha ji, are you there? Am I audible to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Mine
ma'am.
is my network is fine, it means.
I think Rekha ji's
Yeah,
network
Rekha
is
ji's network, yeah, due to rain, she
maybe
got disconnected.
correct.
She must be joining in a few seconds. Some network issues are there with the trainer. Give us some time to rejoin the session.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
I am so sorry. Ma'am, it's raining so heavily here.
I know, I know.
Really
I
sorry,
know.
everyone.
No, it's
So we will start with this. So, so if we go with emotional intelligence, so EI uh, there. So I have told someone to share. Anyone?
your voice was not it was
Ma'am,
not coming properly. Can you
wait a minute, ma'am. Is it okay, ma'am, now?
yeah, it's better. It's
Thank you.
better.
It's raining very badly, ma'am. So,
Yeah.
what I'm telling you is that anyone can share that if you have given that emotional happiness to someone, like, yes, I'm there and I can understand you. Anyone? Okay. Then I will.
Can I share if
Oh,
nobody
please,
else
please,
Sutomaji,
is
please
sharing?
switch on your camera. Sutomaji, please switch on your camera also.
I can't do that. I can't do
After
that
so
because
long, I want to see you. It's
She
long
really
time.
want to. আমি তোমাকে দেখতে চাই. My
oh my
Bengali,
God,
my
you
God.
speak
Yeah,
such
don't
beautiful Bengali. Okay.
Rekha.
Actually, I just wanted to share that I had a girl in grade 3, and she was, I mean, her parents were very troubled because she didn't listen to them, and she didn't obey them, and she was very, reckless. So the thing is that the mother came to me and she started crying that, ma'am, this is what is happening, and in the school she is different, and when she goes home she doesn't listen to me at all. I said, okay. So I started, and that child used to love me so much. Whenever I went into her class, she would come and, hello, ma'am, how are you, ma'am? And, very sweetly she used to talk to me. So she was my favorite student, actually. So I kept talking to her, and then slowly, I started asking about her family and how deals with her younger sister, and what does she do to help her mother and all. So, slowly she started understanding that, why I'm saying that. And I felt that there is some kind of a, break in the bonding between the parent and the child. So I kept talking to her. Then I contacted her mother and I said that, see, ma'am, this is what I found. So she said, oh, she never told me this. So, and then from then onwards, the parent was constantly in touch with me that, ma'am, whatever you said, it is working wonders. And now I can see that she is helping me. She understands me. And I also understand her better. And till today, I'm not there in the school anymore, but she is in touch with me. She keeps telling me, ki, ma'am, Aradhya did this, Aradhya did that. So how should I handle her? So I told her, I keep giving her tips. So this is like, and many parents like her, they used to come and talk to me just because, I was at a place where most of the fathers were in the army and they were non-present. So the mothers used to take care of everything. So they were, as it happens, very stressed out because they had to take care of the house, they had to take care of the, outside things and all. So they were very stressed out, and any little help, they used to come, मैम ये हो गया, बस टाइम से नहीं आ रही है, ये नहीं हो रहा, वो नहीं हो रहा, मैम, how can this go on like this and all. So I used to, first thing I used to do is I make them sit in my room. I used to tell my ayas कि आप chairs दो, बैठ के बात करते हैं. And in 5 minutes they used to dilute कि मैम, हाँ ठीक है, यही हम चाह रहे थे कि आप हमारी प्रॉब्लम अंडरस्टैंड करो. सो आई यूज टू कॉल अप certain people that ये problem है. So this is how, I earned the trust of the people there, because that area was a particular community was there in majority, and I was a Bengali, so I was absolutely out of place. right? So they trusted people who belong to their own community. So this is how, I had to fight a lot earlier to gain that trust. I had to do a lot of things. But then gradually, when this came up, and when I started understanding them, because there used to be a lot of, when I joined the school, there was a huge chaos about fees and all that, because I had just joined just about COVID times. So there was a lot of pendency, this, that. So the parents were not very happy. So this is, at that time I used to think that I should quit actually, because there was so much of trouble all the time. Parents, 10, 12 parents used to come to my room and, ma'am, ye aapko nahi karna chahiye, wo aapko nahi karna chahiye. I didn't have any idea what went wrong, because whatever had happened before me. So this is how the parents started communicating with me, and I actually listened to the mothers. कोई भी उनके घर की प्रॉब्लम थी, कुछ भी थी, I just lent them an ear.
Ma'am, sometimes we should listen to the fathers also, ma'am.
Fathers didn't come, no, ma'am. So fathers were not there. The fathers used to come.
Good.
They used to come with a huge complaint. One person said that, ma'am, आप ऐसा कर रहे हो ना, मैं आपके नाम से पुलिस में कंप्लेन करवाऊंगा. I said, okay. The police station is just right across the street. Let's go together and see. So let's go. So then he started laughing. Oh, ma'am, आपको डर नहीं लग रहा है? I said, what to fear? You are a parent. हाँ, आपका बच्चा मेरे स्कूल में पढ़ रहा है. Can you do this to me? And you want me to believe it? So this is how I broke the ice with the parents there. So it was even now when I think over it, I really wonder that how it happened. So this is one thing I wanted to share, because you're talking about emotional intelligence.
So nice of you, ma'am. As one line I will conclude that slide is that we are adopted parents for the students. So they are our adopted children, and we are like we both the ways.
Yes,
So
of course. We are foster parents.
we cannot deny that. So it was excellent, ma'am. Nice sharing. So after when we come with this EI, the 5 components are self-awareness, self-regulation, motivation, empathy, and social skills. These 5 are interrelated, as Shutapa ma'am told, as I told. Even I am a principal of a residential school, where I of last workshop also I told that every day when I go to the school, the moment I park the car, I have many nice different sweets. हर जगह का मिलता है मुझे, मैम दिस हैपेंड दैट हैपेंड, द वार्डन इज नॉट लिसनिंग दिस, भैया ने ये नहीं बनाया आज, ये नहीं अच्छे से था. So that is absolutely fine. But but I can find the moment I come my park, I'm out of my car, and that is a default in me that I have a smile on my face every time. The moment they see that, ma'am ठीक है ma'am हो जाएगा ma'am, we are going ma'am. Even the 12th graders they tell me. So that empathy, that the way I go in their class and I then motivate them, because they are without their parents, they're in the hostel. So the way I take care of them, I tell them everything. My teachers talk about this. My children are my life, ma'am. Not as a principal I'm telling, but yes, it was from starting. For me, when I go to the school, ma'am, I am the happiest person. Like I don't know this. You can tell कि self बढ़ाई कर रही है, ma'am. I don't take leave, ma'am. जब ऐसा लगता है ना कि बस अब बेड पे गिरी जाऊंगी और स्ट्रेचर पे जाना पड़ेगा, तब I take leave. Or else I feel that moment I go to the school, I go and sit in the nursery. I go and sit in with PP1. I go talk with them. I know in and out story of all my students, the way Shutapa ma'am was telling, which the parents also don't know, what they are gifting, what they are doing, everything I know. So these are something which is very important nowadays, I feel like. So please, I will tell all the leaders that emotionally attachment is very much important. So this is one thing which I want you to write in the chat, that how do I react under pressure, what triggers my emotion, and what are my strengths. I'll just give you 1 minute because we are just running out of time, as because it was my computer, I was having a internet glitch. So any 3 questions, you can just write one answer. One personal strength and one area to improve. You just leave about the negative thing. Your strength, just one strength, if you can drop into the message. Till then, I will give you just a 1 minute If you can just go ahead, because it's already 8:21 and we have 9 minutes to go. Just 5 more minutes if you can extend till 8:35, ma'am, Twinkle ma'am. That's it. I'm really sorry because of this. Anyone, if
Yeah,
please
we
write on
can.
the chat box that one personal strength or anything. Yes, the messages are popping in. Oh, that's great, Anu ma'am. Excellent. A round of applause for you. It really needs too much of courage to be connected with your team. I know you must working like positive approach. Yes, very much. Yes, good going, Swapna ma'am. Okay. Good listener and a problem solver. Yes. It is Kamoronisa, right? If I've spelled your name correctly. Like apologize if I've pronounced it wrong. Quick learner and always willing to improve. That's great. Manisha ma'am, Anjana, solving problems with love. Yes, love is everything. Pyar Bhagwan hai. Good behavior, yes. And that we have to be in good terms, then only we can implement it. I'll tell you one my weakness before I go to the next slide. I have a very good habit of biting nails. So in the assembly, I never tell students, I tell everything, but I never tell them that stop biting nails. I took 4 months, all my people, all my friends who are there now I'm growing my nails, and very proudly in the assembly, I go and say, stop biting nails. And my coordinators, they start laughing because they know that I took 6 months to just come out of this habit. So, Twinkle ma'am, you can read the chat. Till then, I can go with the next
Yes,
slide.
yes, I am ready. Yeah.
Yes. And this comes, which I really do, is like self-regulation. Instead of I am angry, what is the best response I can give? Really, I do this. Like if someone is like making me crazy, driving me crazy, too many things are happening, I just stop. I take a pause. I think and then I respond because I know, like वो बोलते हैं ना कि if मेरे सर में माता आ गई तो पिता ढूंढना बहुत प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगा. It comes like that. So I know my anger. I'm very short tempered sometimes for some things because, for example, leaders, when we give some work and we know that we have given, keep on giving them reminders after reminders, reminders after reminders, then our patience goes off. Then we really literally वो volcano burst होता है, lava निकलता है पूरा. At that time, I seriously telling you, all the facilitators over here, I really, and all the leaders, I really take a pause. Because I
Virendra
know,
ji, yeah, Rekha ji, you continue. Virendra ji is writing, facing every problem with a smile.
yes, that even I do. That even I do. So I go with you. My teeth is always out, sparkling white with a big smile. I think ये देख के शायद सामने वाला इंसान शांत हो जाए, and it works.
Yes,
But
yes.
this is really self-regulation. I will really tell everyone. Sometimes it goes away from our thing. It's like sand. It goes away. Sometimes we cannot take that patience, but it is a humble request, a leader to a leader, that just stop at that time and then think and then respond, rather than just jumping on the conclusion. क्योंकि जब ठंडा दिमाग हो जाता है ना, तब realize होता है that yes, whatever we have given the conclusion, the moral of the story was not correct. So next is like empathy in education. Is empathy means understanding another person's feelings, and as a leader we should have the right, we should understand. We'll understand, it will work. Like if for example, if a student is telling, or if your teamwork, someone is speaking. Yes, Linda ma'am. Okay, it was just by mistake, I think. So I forgot my homework. So generally we say always excuses. You give excuses only. You don't give anything else. That time we can say, tell me what happened. What was the reason that you have not done your homework? Rather than just telling that tum hamesha. Sometimes it is genuine also. Same with the team also it goes. Sometimes it happens that you have given work and all, and you know that person never completes the work on time, and you have to give reminders after reminders. Sometimes listen, at least listen. Then we will come to the conclusion that it was an excuse or it was a genuine reason. Then is come to the social skills. Educators with strong social skills resolve conflicts. Yes, agree. Listen actively. Agree. Appreciate others. Agree. Build relationships. Agree. Encourage collaborations. Agree. This is something which anywhere, even if in your apartment also, if you are the chairman, the chairperson, or it's if you have these things, you can resolve the conflicts. Ye pipe toot gaya, this happened, that happened, you did it.
The slide is changing, Rekha ji.
Yes, 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 I changed now.
No, it's the same one, EI one.
I have changed, ma'am. It that got stuck.
Yeah, it's got stuck actually.
Now is it working? Wait, I'll stop share. I'll do it again.
Yeah, again you can reshare it.
Thank you for telling me.
Somebody has told me in chat box. Even I
Oh,
didn't
thank you
know.
so much. I really love you. Is it okay now?
It's
Yes,
still we
ma'am.
are on the same slide. EI one only.
Then why? In my laptop, it is showing it is going. I'm
No.
going in.
Everyone can see the next slide because for me it's EI only.
No, it's EI.
Same slide,
EI.
ma'am.
It's EI.
It
Yeah.
is same slide.
It's AI only.
Then my network, I'm really sorry. Like in child, I will give you not excuse, but seriously, I'm telling you that there is a computer glitch.
Yeah.
It is some network issues going on. I'm really
If you
sorry.
can share with maybe how many slides are left now?
Ma'am, 2 only, so we can
That's
just talk.
fine. Now social skills is there.
Social skills there? Right.
Yeah,
Get it. Oh,
yeah.
that's great. So applying EI in the classroom. Okay. So emotional intelligence, use calm and respectful communication. Actually, sometimes we don't know that when we speak in anger, we talk something which is, I will use a word which I should not use. Like we use all nonsense words sometimes, and it just slip off the tongue, which we use. We should control that. Recognize students' emotions, that sometimes majorly it is the children who are hyperactive, leave them. The children who are genuinely correct, understand them. Respond instead of reacting, screaming, shouting, this, that. Stop. Listen, listen, listen. Leaders, teachers, educators, facilitators, mentors, guru, any adjective you can take for yourself, kindly listen. The moment you listen, problems is half solved. Be a good listener. And encourage positive self-talk. Always talk positive. That is nowadays in the reels, everywhere it's manifestation. You are manifesting this to the universe. You are manifesting this to the universe. So manifest always positive talk. Self-talk, things will work. Model empathy and self-control. Yes, we should have that empathy and self-control. We should not just react then and there, and build a safe, positive classroom environment. To all the educators, you are doing a great job. We are keeping the child in between, and we hold them with the safe hands. So they should feel it. You should not always become a knock knock buddy and tell them that yes, you're safe. They should feel it. So then a positive school culture, this we all work on, and we know that we are discussing this from past 1.5 hours, that effective leadership, strong teamwork, emotional intelligence, and then open communication.
Linda
No,
ji,
ma'am, I
please can
think
you
ये
mute?
विक्स का ऐड था. नहीं, ट्विंकल मैम, वो विक्स का ऐड था. It is okay, we need it. अभी बारिश हो रही है. It's like about the
I know, but okay, let's go.
It's okay, ma'am. We should take everything in a positive way. Then mutual respect, shared responsibility, and continuous growth. This is all a positive school culture which we should maintain. And after the whole 1.5 hour of 80% me speaking and nice few inculcate, so it converted into 80% of your involvement and 20% of mine with the chat box. The reflection and the key takeaways are: the leadership inspires, teamwork strengthens, emotional intelligence connects, and every educator can be a leader, and small positive action create a positive school culture. So lead with a purpose, work as a team, and connect with empathy. So I think this was, for me, thank you is like ever ending. So generally, maximum times I never write thank you slide. Very less slide I write thank you. I always have a closing thing that if we are together, we can have the best school. If we have empathy, we have the best way of understanding people. If the EI is excellent, we are rolling in the school. Anything, any question, I'm open for that. My
Yeah,
time
please.
is over.
Now,
Until then, I will read the chats now.
yeah.
So I'll
Session
read
is open for the questions. If you have any query, any
Trust
suggestion,
in there with
you want to share
patience
your experiences, please
and
go ahead.
facing every problem with yes, it works, ma'am. Slide. Thanks, Manisha, ma'am, for telling that. We have really enjoyed. Oh, thank you so
Thank
much.
you, Usha ji. Thank you, Usha Rani ji.
Thank you so much. Anyone, any question, anything to share?
We will be sending feedback form and the certificates in the group. So, Abhi, for the time being, if you any query, any questions, please go ahead.
Ma'am,
Yeah, Purvi ji. Yeah.
I had one question.
Please.
Yeah.
Ma'am, I want to share, I want to discuss one scenario with you.
Okay.
Actually, I'm a pre-primary teacher and we
Okay.
are having the annual planner. Means in that planner, we are having our days and celebrations, and there are in charge teachers of that days and celebrations. Actually, what happens that I'm very active person in my group,
Okay.
and I like pre-planning. But
Okay.
sometimes it happens. Just I want to discuss with you that for a while you just think that our coordinator is very aged. Means after Corona, the people are not that much technically upgraded and everything. Okay, after Corona, many things has changed. Means we are doing now activities, everything. Photos are going in the group, everything. Now what happens? Means suppose one day celebration is coming. We have been told by our coordinator that you are this is the list, and here you in charge are given for the day celebration, and you have to keep in your mind that which celebration is going to be done by which teacher. Okay, now here the team is something little bit lazy that मैडम बोलेगी ना तब करेंगे, बराबर है. पर मेरा कैसा है कि मुझे ऐसा होता है कि थोड़े दिन पहले से ही सोच ले कि क्या करना है. तो मेरा एक नेचर है कि आई जस्ट गिव वन पोलाइट रिमाइंडर टू माय कोऑर्डिनेटर दैट मैम ऑन दिस डेट वी आर हैविंग दिस सेलिब्रेशन. Means recently on 12th August we are having our science project. Senior KG 4 teachers, they have to decide the topic. Now what happened? Once I have given the polite reminder, she ignored me, not replied. After that, in our group, I have discussed with the teacher that 12th August is near. So let us all discuss which topics we are going to take. Then they also told that मैडम बोलेगी तब हम सोचेंगे, बुलाएगी और बोलेगी तब सोचेंगे. Another after 2 days, I have given again one polite reminder to my ma'am that ma'am on 12th August we are having our project. So you just keep one message in our group that all 4 senior KG teachers decide the topic and let me know. So at that time also she means ignored me. And then I have discussed in our group. Then again I have discussed. Then 3 topics decided, and only 1 topic has not been decided. That teacher was not available or what? And she told me that on Monday we will discuss. Again Monday come. I in the morning I gave the reminder. So she is telling me that अभी तो आए हैं, बाद में डिस्कस कर लेते हैं. तो मतलब लिटरली मुझे ऐसा लगा है कि अब मुझे ये टॉपिक छेड़ना ही नहीं है। मतलब ये चीज खाली एक प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में नहीं है मैम, बार बार मतलब जैसे बोलते हैं ना, इवन coordinator is also not understanding that what the seriousness I am having about that thing, what is my intention is that। तो ऐसे में हमें क्या करना चाहिए? मैंने तो ऐसे सोचा है कि अब जब तक 12th अगस्त नहीं आएगी ना, तब तक मैं कोई रिमाइंडर नहीं देने वाली हूँ। तो एम आई राइट ऑन माई पार्ट?
Now, Purvi ma'am, agar if I'll tell you, it's like I have not heard the both way story. I don't know the whole story of her side, whatever you are telling. And because I am SBT, like surrender, belief, and trust on you, so I'm giving you that thing that Purvi ma'am, what happens is sometimes what we think is because you yourself told that you're a very actively person. So what happens, like people like us, you, me, and there are many people, we want to, like, for example, agar mera investor ceremony is coming on Saturday, my planning was done in the month of April. So all the people in my group, like I'm a principal, you leave it, I'm talking about the team, all the people in my team will not agree. What is this, Rekha? That is in the month of July. Are you mad? You are working on in the month of April. Lekin that is my mindset. So what you can take it, the decision what you are taking, it is partially correct. Why? In the sense you take a pause. Kahin na kahin, if that coordinator knows and understand you, Purvi ma'am, she will get back to you. But at that time, you just forget all your these things and go back and go and have that same zeal of working. Rather than just coming to a conclusion कि नहीं उस समय उन्होंने समझा नहीं and मैं अभी इस चीज को नहीं करूंगी. Because she has a different character and you are a different character. So because of
And
her,
maybe she has other engagements also, no? Maybe she's
because
busy
of
in
her,
the.
because of her thing and her implementation of many things, you don't change your behavior.
Purvi ji, you are right. The way you are working, maybe
Yes.
it's your way of working. And maybe
Exactly.
in advance, people
Actually,
work
ma'am, क्या
like this
होता है?
only.
Actually,
अपने
मैम
आप को
क्या होता
कभी डिसहर्टन नहीं करना पूर्वी मैम। आई टेल यू वन थिंग, अ वेरी गुड
हाँ।
मंत्र। हर सुबह उठो और सोचो कि कल जो किया वो बहुत अच्छा था एंड आई एम ग्रेटफुल, और आज जो मैं करने जा रही हूँ वो और अच्छा है। और किसी और का पैट आए या नहीं आए मैम, खुद का हाथ जगन्नाथ ऐसे करो कि ये शाबाश, बहुत अच्छा काम किया है, निकल जाओ।
हाँ, सही। एक्चुअली मैम हर बार क्या होता है कि लास्ट मोमेंट पर ही सबको मोदी याद आता है। मेरा मतलब सरनेम मोदी है ना, तो
वो
मतलब
सबके वो
जिसका
इस
तो
देश की
सोचो मैम,
वो इस देश
मोदी
की
जी को
प्रॉब्लम वो इस देश की प्रॉब्लम है। लास्ट मोमेंट पे ही मोदी जी याद आते हैं।
about to tell this only. So I will not go with any politics and something like that. See, Purvi ma'am, one thing I'll tell you. अगर आपने अपना आंसर खुद ही दे दिया, सबको आप लास्ट में याद आते हो, मतलब कोऑर्डिनेटर ऑल्सो नोज योर कैलिबर, कि वो सब पे भरोसा करती है, लेकिन उसको पता है कि इस टीम का झंडा ऊपर आप ही रखोगे, तो वो सब पे भरोसा करके सबसे काम लेने की कोशिश करती है, लेकिन को पता है कि लास्ट में यू विल ओनली डू। इट्स ओनली प्रॉब्लम इज दैट योर एक्नॉलेजमेंट इज नॉट कमिंग एंड एप्रिसिएशन, सो दैट नीड्स टू बी वर्क विद द कोऑर्डिनेटर, नॉट विथ यू। तो आपको खुश होना चाहिए कि मतलब बोलते ना कि पिक्चर में स्टार्टिंग से लेके एंड तक आप हो, भले ही अदृश्य रहो बट हो जरूर आप।
Yeah, Manisha ji, you want to say something? Yeah, go ahead.
थैंक यू मैम।
Thank you, Purvi ji. Yeah, Manisha ji.
Yes, ma'am. It's just the same thing, ma'am. Even if we are transparent, also sometimes it still won't work. It depends on the other person, also. Sometimes it is.
It is always there. You are transparent, the other person won't be transparent. Problem is
Yeah.
there always. I know this.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Rekha ji, your expert suggestions in this?
नथिंग मैम। मनीषा मैम, एक चीज याद रखो, ट्रस्ट योर सेल्फ, ट्रस्ट योर इंस्टिंक्ट्स एंड जस्ट वॉक, एवरीथिंग इज फाइन।
Yes,
A
ma'am.
leader, a leader quality, ma'am, even if you are a teacher, you are a leader because you are a leader for your own class. If principal, this leader is a leader, ma'am. I am taking care of 40 students. I'm a leader. A principal only is a leader? No. For me, every single teacher is leader in their own eyes because they are taking care of the whole students, ma'am. 40. Okay, fine, we are taking care of the whole school, but they are also taking bit by bit. हर leader अपना काम करता है, तब main leader जाके अपना काम करता है, ma'am. So that is absolutely okay. So just be happy what you are doing. Yes, ma'am. Any other question?
मैम
Yes, ma'am.
मैम आपने बोला वो तो मुझे समझ में आया, पर कई लोग ऐसे बोलते हैं ना कि इनका तो सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट ही नहीं है, बार बार अपमान करते हैं तो भी वो वैसे के मतलब इतना
Ma'am, ma'am,
मतलब
ma'am.
बहुत सालों की
Don't
बात।
demotivate yourself, Purvi ma'am.
पूर्वी
भगवान
जी,
ने दो
तो
कान
राजेश
दिए।
खन्ना जी का गाना है ना,
नहीं
कुछ
नहीं
तो
नहीं
लोग
ट्विंकल
कहेंगे
मैम, नहीं नहीं
लोगों को
ट्विंकल
कहाँ
मैम,
पे
वन
कहना।
थिंग, पूर्वी मैम, वन थिंग यू डू, आई टेल यू वेरी गुड। भगवान ने दो कान दिए हैं और हमेशा ये नहीं कहा है कि दोनों कान से सुनना और सब कुछ रखना है दिमाग में। एक कान से सुनना है, दूसरे कान से निकाल देना चाहिए।
नहीं, वैसे
Yes.
लोगों का
सही
लोग तो
बात।
पीपल विल से पूर्वी जी, आप
Yes.
कब तक सुनोगे आप?
हाँ
चलिए, आई
रिलैक्स
थिंक
मैम, रिलैक्स।
या
कोई भी चीज दिल में मत लेना चाहिए मैम। दिल थोड़ा ना आइलैंड है कि जो भी आए बस जाए उसमें। दिल इज नॉट छोटा मोटा आइलैंड। रिलैक्स योरसेल्फ।
fine, everybody. Thank you everyone for joining us.
Twinkle ma'am is laughing. Oh my God, so much. It's ma'am, I
Island,
am like this. I
Island
am a
was a
stand-up
epic, yeah.
comedian also.
Island was a epic, really.
I do this, ma'am, because for me, I feel like that wherever I should be, I should spread happiness. I don't know people will remember by my name or not, but people will remember there was one lady who makes us happy. That's it. And
Definitely,
I'm
it
done
was.
and sorted, ma'am. So
Yeah.
it's like
Yes,
that.
ma'am. Exactly your smile.
Oh, thank you so much. So you should be like that always. So कोई भी चीज दिल में मत लो, ma'am. Everything. Just you trust your own instinct. So you will
Yes.
never fail, ma'am. कोई ना कोई तो देख रहा है, ma'am. Someone is watching you. हम कभी भी दिखाने के लिए काम करेंगे तो we cannot work. So you should always stand in front of the mirror and you should always be happy that yes, today whatever work
You have
was
done a
given
good
to me,
job. You have done a
yes,
good job.
that's
Yes.
it. I do that. I appreciate myself every day that I'm the best. That's it.
Thank you
So I
everyone.
think
Thank
it's all done. So you can have a thank you,
you,
vote of
Rekha ji,
thanks.
for time and engagement. Yeah, I am saying vote of thanks, man. Thank you everyone for joining us. Thank you, Rekha ji, for time and nice and smiling PPT. Yeah, feedback form is sent in the group. Please fill up the feedback form. The certificates will be sent in the group also. Every registered participants will be getting the certificate. So you don't have to worry about the certificates.
Ma'am, today we
Yeah,
are
please. Thank you, Manisha ji, for their motivating.
हेलो मैम।
Pardon?
मैम आज नोट्स मिलेगी ना हमको?
पूर्वी जी, yeah, come on.
ओके, थैंक यू।
पूर्वी जी, ये पीपीटी शेयर हम आपको रिकॉर्डिंग शेयर कर देंगे आपको, ठीक है ना? वी विल शेयर द रिकॉर्डिंग इन द ग्रुप। लीडरशिप पे यू नीड नोट्स ऑन लीडरशिप
है मैम ने
ओके
जो
पूर्वी जी, थैंक यू
प्रेजेंटेशन
रेखा जी, थैंक यू एवरीवन फॉर जॉइनिंग अस। हाँ, वो रिकॉर्डिंग आपको वी विल बी शेयरिंग इन द ग्रुप, वी विल बी शेयरिंग। ओके रेखा जी, थैंक यू everyone
Thank you,
for joining us,
everyone.
for your
Stay
time and
blessed, be
engagement.
happy,
Ma'am, thank you,
and spread
ma'am. Both of you,
happiness.
thank you.
Thank you so much. Stay happy, be blessed.
Ma'am, give the feedback.